everyone. I'm Marina from the desert to the sea and everything in Southern California. I'm the realtor you should hire. So this week I wanted to share some information to be closer to family. In the next 2 years, there will be 7 million people turning 65. 3 million will be getting married. 1.5 million will be getting divorces, and there will be 7 million births. So what is one of the primary reasons people sell their properties? It's to be closer to family. So that's going to have an impact on our real estate business. I'm Marina, and I have this information and tips that I send out to my clients, which are items of value. If you would like to receive this information, please call me, text me, email me, or leave me a voice message. Let me show you some information that might be helpful if you decide that you want to sell real estate or buy real estate. I'm Marina from the desert to the sea and everything in between, Southern California. I'm the realtor you should hire.